We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about Ofargo stainless steel meat injector syringe with 3 Marinade Injector needles. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Ofargo stainless steel meat injector syringe with 3 Marinade Injector needles, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview summary: 100% safe and healthy kitchen barbecue tool. All components are general recognized as safe. 304 stainless steel for syringe barrel and needles, zinc alloy for handle and injector top, silicone material for grill pastry brush and seals. Keep your family safe and healthy. Culinary stainless steel zinc alloy metallic material, a little heavy injector syringe, sturdy turkey injector needles, easily to pierce the toughest cuts of meats or poultry. Silicone basting pastry brush working well in high cooking grilling temperature range. Ergonomic threaded design, easy to assemble or dismantle. 2 ounces large capacity injection barrel minimizes refills. 3 ring handle offers a comfortable grip and friendly pressure control. 3 interchangeable turkey needles, W/multi holes for deep penetration and perfect sauce distribution, like chunky marinades or liquid brine. Our food injector is solidly built to last, to intensify flavors of Thanksgiving Christmas turkey, beef brisket, pork butts, lamb, chicken, goose, duck. Inject jelly pudding into donuts, rum into strawberries, brine into home cured meats, practical for kitchen tools, holidays, barbecue, smoked grill, family party, bonfire party. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.